He said, he fucks my sister. That type of line is worn out. You're just jealous because your wife, Vanessa, looks like stepmom from Pornhub. And he said, I got an ugly nose. Wow, that was so lit. I got a big nose. I got a big nose. Oh, nose, everybody knows it. Eh ano naman? Eh tayo'y mga Pinoy. Tayo'y hindi kano. Huwag kang mahihiya kung ang ilong mo ay... O gago, di pa ngo, chubby lang yan. Matangos pag naka-side view. Tignan mo lang ganyan, oh, parang naka-pack you. Lito, magingay! I miss you, Anegma. Pilipinas ngayon ang bit-bit na bandera. Kaya talagang alam mong kakasa. Tagalog versus English, barepa. Sige lang, magmukha ka dyan, tanga. Ako yung smuggler sa eksena na magtatapong pabalik kung sa kamang galing lupa-lupa tsaka yung kontrabando mong dala. Ngayong nagdeklara yung presidente ng gera kasi nagpadala na naman ng basura yung Canada! Sakto! Ang tagal kong walang battle, I haven't battled in a while. But it doesn't matter. You're the one from Toronto, but I am the rapper/actor. You look like a sad banker, wanna be backpacker. All you do all day is withdraw, deposit, and cash transfer. Beating me is like you saying you will be the new lead in Black Panther. Me, from Provinciano to the #1 primetime teleseries rival, Kidlat versus Tangle. Then all of a sudden after, while I'm busy with my Barang Quiapo, this huge opportunity knocks on my door. He knocks on my door like a Mormon pastor with a coloring book Bible. Then I say, ikaw na ba si Mr. White? Are you Sharon? It's nice to meet you, sir. Can you please raise your hand? Putang ina mo, hold that to! Sorry. Kala ko taping. Nag-PM kasi si Arik, battle kahapon. Tinanong ko kung kailan at yung venue kung saan. Kala ko pa naman Eminem na, MGK lang pala. Bah! Egol ako dyan. Tinanggihan ka ni Luni. Sinute Shea, tas ako yung sumalo. Baka ungrateful ka pa niyan. Wala ka pa sa Pinas, Brad. You're welcome in advance.